myself and Paul are Irish, but we've lived abroad for many years, and we've come back to Ireland, and we chose to live in New Ross. And like Paula has said, we never realised the history that New Ross has, the fact that it was a walled town. We never realised that. We never realised that Cromwell came and took this town. There's just so much history that we didn't realise about this place.
And I just love it as well. I didn't realise there was so much history. And it's really a place to be proud of. And I now live here and I love it.
This is my second tour with Myles. We did the medieval one about 2 weeks ago, and then today we did the 1798 one. Two fantastic tours.
People drive through New Ross, and it's a pity, because it's a quiet town. It's a town that you don't know very much about when you drive through it. But if you go on one of these walking tours, especially with Myles, you'll know that the town is relatively unchanged for the last 200 years, and the buildings are the same. You can walk down here in 1798 and see pretty well the same layout of the streets that there were then. And it's a wonderful thing. It's a most unique town from that point of view. So anybody who wants to drive through New Ross should consider stopping in New Ross, have a cup of tea, have a lunch, go on a walking tour with Myles, and then you'll have a different perspective on the whole town.